Okay, we've got practice test number 21 here. It says Heath mixes gasoline and oil to make fuel for his motorbike. He adds 16 fluid ounces of oil for every 2 gallons of gasoline. Exactly how many fluid ounces of oil does Heath need to add to 3¼ gallons of gasoline to make his fuel? Okay, so let's look at what we know. We know he has 16 fluid ounces of oil, so oil equals 16, to every 2 gallons of gas. Okay, so that's 2 gallons, 16 ounces to 2 gallons. Okay, now we want to know how many ounces of oil that he needs to add to 3¼ gallons of gas. Now, I would go ahead there and make that 3.25 because you know 1/4 is 0.25. So I would put 3¼ equals 3.25 just to get rid of that fraction because fractions are sometimes hard to deal with. Okay, so what you would do is you say, okay, 16 to 2. So 16 to 2 is the same proportion as, now you've got 2 gallons here, so you want the gallons on the bottom, which is the 3.25, because you want to find out how much oil, it's a 5, how much oil he needs, so that's going to be the x. Okay, so you have 2x equals 16 times 3.25. And 16 times 3.25, let me get my calculator, 16 times 3.25 equals 52. So 2x equals 52, divide both sides by 2, and that leaves you with x equals 26, which is D. Of course, once again, there is a different way to do this one. If you see that he needs 16 fluid ounces for every 2 gallons of gasoline, then that means he needs 8 ounces for every 1 gallon of gas. Okay, and so if he had 3¼ gallons of gas, you would say 8 times 3 equals 24, but you can't forget that 1/4. So you know that 8 times 0.25, so 8/4 would make $2. So that would be 2. 24 plus 2 equals 26, and you come back up with D again, 26.